So we're repairing this 6 wire, I think there are 5 or 6 wire switch on this for the 60 ragtop, and those switches are not available. So if you have one, you're going to have to repair the one that you have. So in this case, the if you could see, this guy made an ingenious little thing as an extension, to try and fix the broken off handle. And I don't think you can really weld another handle on. In risking trying to do that, I think we're going to go ahead and repair this with another 3-wire switch. So we've got a 3-wire switch apart right here. And if you can see, this is a 3-wire and this is the 6-wire. So if you see, there's 6 contacts on here. Okay, and on here, there's 1, 2, 3 contacts. And what they have is they have these little plates on here that are made out of a non-conductive material, and they are different. So if you look at the 6-wire one, it's a little bit different, okay? And if you look at this one, it's different. And what this one had is one large contact that goes from that pin to there, and then it slides back and forth, and that's how it connects for your turn signal. On this one, because it has brake lights and turn signals in the same switch, it had several different contacts on here. I'm just kind of showing you that for information purposes, because what we're actually going to do is we're going to drill right on that rivet right there and just kiss the thing just a little bit, and drill right here and kiss it just a little bit, and then slide this contact bay off of this switch, and do the same thing on here. Drill it here, drill it there, slide the contact off, and actually put this on and epoxy it in place, and then it'll be fine. Probably last for many years just like that. So this is some of the ways you do things on your speedometer repair as well. So but if you look here too, on this one has this spring housing, and this spring housing is different. So if you look at this style and you look at this style, this is the old school locks in place. This was kind of more of a rub type of a contact thing. And again, they're different because you have this style here. Where is that plate? Hang on a second. So if you see the setup here in the early switch, it just has 2 little pins here, okay, and those little pins kind of lock on these little things here. And the late style has this spring setup type of a thing, which I've had some of these where I've had taken apart and actually repaired and replaced one of these little screws here. So put a little 2mm screw inside there. Yeah, but if you see here, it kind of rides on these little bumpy things. So they're different, but what we're going to do again is, to save this one here, we're going to go ahead and drill out these, and then take a 2mm tap and put a screw and tap, and then J&B weld the screws threads into place so that it won't move. So those are some of the ways you fix this stuff. I mean, turn signal switches can be repaired. To get them apart, there's a big snap ring that goes around this part of this turn signal switch, and that's how you can fix that. So if you have an old 6-wire car, if you have a switch in any condition, you can buy another switch, original switch, both originals. You can play with it and actually make it work like what we're doing. So, and you can actually repair your old turn signal switch if it's bad. Like, you can sand these contacts down, or typically what's wrong is these little rivets are broken, and you'll find that when you turn it one direction, it works, the release works. Turn it the other direction, it'll go down and it won't hold into place. It'll flip back up. then you probably got a bad one of these rivets right here. So anyway, a couple little bit things about turn signal switch repair, kind of what it looks like inside, some ideas for you guys to kick around and try for yourselves, and make it work. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.